Welcome to KPIs Control, Licensed User Console. Now today we will demonstrate the usage for a household individual user. We have received an email with the credentials for a household individual user. The email ID, password and the license number we will use to log in. Let's start now. We have copied this password. We are entering the license number and signing into the system. Now the empty dashboard loaded in front of us. Okay, it suggests that it contains a self dashboard, a my profile area, the objective, strategy and action for the key performance indicators, and the reporting tools. Now first of all, we need to go to my profile area to update the metrics category of this business. Now we are a household individual, so I am selecting a very unique lifestyle, that is spiritual and belief. I will upload a picture here and ready to go. Okay, with this picture, and I have updated my category. I will again navigate to the self dashboard, and in metrics category I can see spiritual and belief is here, and there are two parametrics, that is leading futuristic indicators and lagging present or past indicators. In spiritual and belief category, the leading futuristic indicators means what we need to do in future, and lagging indicators means the present or past happenings we need to measure. Now, first of all, I would like to know about the objectives. Now, first we will add an objective. Simple. The objective name is morning habits. Morning habits. Any description I can give here. The matrix library, I will select lagging present or past indicators. So from date, I will select the month of March, 31st of March. Okay. Now the quantitative target is good habits, and qualitative target is good habits, and quantitative target is none. So we'll create 0 here or 100 here maybe. Total key performance Total key performance index set is 100. So adding it now. So this objective is morning habits. I can edit this objective. Name of this objective, I will edit morning good habits. So I will update it and we'll see the updation working. Okay, it is updated. Now morning good habits. Therefore, I will create the strategy for it. The strategy I will create from here, morning good habits, qualitative target I will select, and the strategy name is prayers, morning prayers. This is one of the main metrics, so I will create 25 performance index set, adding it now. This is my strategy, morning prayers, and I will focus the action here. These are my metric parameters. These are my metric parameters for morning prayers. So I will select here. I will praying with others to encourage them. Praying with others to encourage them. I have created the action focus and I have given the deadline date of 31st March, and each day I need my family, I need to pray for 15 minutes with my family. So the index set is of this strategy. The index set I will create here is 5. Okay. So adding the focused action. This is my focused action. I will again select a focused and parameter that about this experience a spirit of prayerfulness during the day. So encourage someone with the truth about God. This encourage someone about the truth of God. Encourage someone, not someone, it will be family. Encourage family about the truth of God. So again, a deadline date is 31st, and parameters is every day tell a true based story of God to family. Again, index count is 5. So I have added two focused actions, as you can see. So encourage family about the truth of God, praying with others to encourage them. These are two live index parameters. Now I will take an action. Simple. I will select the focused action, that is praying with others to encourage them. I will name prayed every day for at least 15 minutes. I will create it. It is achieved. I have achieved this. So I will create it as achieved. So this and another focused action, encourage family about the truth of God. Try to do so maybe 15 to 20 days I have done. So this is 31st. So this status means this is the qualitative indicator. So I will create the qualitative indicator is partially achieved. So these are my two actions. Now I will navigate to the dashboard. I can see one objective, one strategy, two focus, two taken actions, and I can see 7.5% of KPIs achieved. I have taken an objective. I've taken an objective, and this is my strategy. 25% is my strategy. Uh, of this 25% strategy, I have forecasted yet to forecast this much 15. I have forecasted 30%, and this 10% I've achieved. So it's total 7.5%. The action taken is 7.5%. 2.5% is forecasted but not taken. Action is not taken. Why? Because I have partially achieved an action of 5 index. So 2.5 is not achieved, 2.5 is achieved, and 5 is fully achieved. So these are the indicators or pie chart analytics from where I can judge or guess that how much we are appropriate to our actions from the focus, or what is the deviation we are getting in it. So Therefore, 7.5% is a good number, but out of only I have created an objective. I have created 25% of the strategy. If I can take 100% strategy, then and 100% focused, then the actions can be taken in such a manner so that it will go up to 60 to 70%, and it will be very good. Now I can see my consolidated report. See, this is my consolidated report area. I will create from date 1st March to maybe 31st March. My filters, lagging parameters only, lagging past indicators. I need all the strategy actions and everything. I only need maybe the focused action and taken action. So generate a report. This is my report which is generated. Okay, this is my name. This is the household individual is the vertical. This is the license number. This is the date column, and I have forecasted the action. I have forecasted the action. These are the actions. So I will take the consolidated report part. I will generate a report here. I will take the actions report first, and in the action report part, I can see these are my actions. See, this focused action reports. This is my focused action. Okay, and as per that, these are the taken action. Okay, partially achieved. This is my focused action. This is so as per focused action, I'm getting all the reports here. I will download. I can download this report anytime for my personal use. Okay, and save it into as PDF. So the complete thing is here. So anytime you can start using. If you get any feedback or if you get stuck with anything, feel free to contact the support of KPIs control, or just leave a comment so that we can catch it up, and we assure to guide you and support you to the best of our knowledge. So start exploring this product. Thank you.